coDiagnostiX is a powerful planning software for dental professionals. While coDiagnostiX offers a huge variety of specialized tools for complex treatment cases such as the replacement of multiple teeth, or even oral surgical procedures, 50% of all use cases involve the placement of only a single implant, and do not require all of the specialized tools coDiagnostiX offers. As a result, it can be unnecessarily time-consuming for new users with such straightforward cases to learn and master all of coDiagnostiX's powerful functionality. They may even require external training. To better address the needs of these customers, and to help them get started with coDiagnostiX more quickly, we decided to create an entirely new work mode specially tailored to beginners. The Easy Mode. Our goal was to create a streamlined and intuitive user interface for quick and easy planning of straightforward cases, that allows inexperienced users to quickly learn the use of coDiagnostiX on their own, without additional external training. This new mode complements our tried and tested expert mode for advanced users. This is how we did it. First, we created a workflow that is completely guided. This prevents users from having to actively search for the next logical step of their planning in coDiagnostiX's huge toolbox. We accomplished this by breaking the workflow down into 4 visually distinct and self-explanatory steps. To make all controls and steps clear and easy to identify, they are visually aided by symbols. Once the user is finished with the current steps task, he just clicks the Next button to proceed. If the user needs help with a task, he can simply click on the question mark button to expand a help panel. It contains a concise description of the current step's purpose and instructions on how to achieve the current task. We positioned this help panel in the center of the screen, to allow users to read instructions and work in the planning screen at the same time. The help panel is also dynamic and changes to display information for the next step once the user proceeds. When help is no longer needed, the panel closes with a simple click on the question mark button. Now, let's look at a few design choices we made for specific tasks in Easy Mode. The first sub-step jaw selection and alignment heavily simplifies the process of segmentation, meaning the cleaning up of the patient scan to show only the areas that the dentist will later work in. This step shows only the patient coordinate system and some simple controls, to accomplish the task in just a few clicks. Users only need to choose the jaw, align the patient coordinate system, and adjust the segmentation with a slider. This way, segmentation is done automatically by the software in the background, instead of manually by the user, which saves overall planning time and is easy to understand. To visually aid the user's orientation in the next sub-step panoramic curve, we designed a 3D pop-up especially for Easy Mode. It appears in the view when the user scrolls through the scan, and makes it much more easy to achieve the optimal axial position. In all steps, the views are automatically aligned in such a way that the user can clearly see the area he needs to work on. For example, in the sub-step nerve canal, the user defines the patient's nerve canal to avoid damaging it during surgery. Here, the views automatically align to either the left or right nerve canal, depending on which nerve is chosen. During the implant planning that follows, this helps to ensure a 2 mm safety distance between the implant and the nerve. Finally, the last page gives a visually concise overview of actions for possible next steps, such as sending the finished guide to a printer, instead of hiding these functions in a menu. Let's sum up coDiagnostiX Easy. The user interface contains a fully guided workflow, all the essential planning steps but no frills, easily identifiable controls, and pre-aligned views for easier implant planning. It makes the workflow process self-explanatory, reduces learning times, and speeds up the planning process significantly. Dental professionals who are new to coDiagnostiX can learn intuitively how to plan simple patient cases quickly and efficiently. Easy mode serves as an entry gate for users who are new to coDiagnostiX. Users are also able to choose between our tried and tested expert mode and easy mode later on.